How to make a super powerful and bright light, portable and easy to use. Introducing OuTask, featuring aviation aluminum honeycomb heatsink. Telescopic and collapsible. Ready at any time. With OuTask, you'll find a new way of mobile lighting. No more mosquitoes drawn to your face like a headlight. Follow you like a mobile street lamp. Light up the way for your team. Transform it to a flashlight to explore the wilderness. Open the tripod with one click and extend the pole in one quick motion. And set the camp light higher on the go. Integrated design with an overhead light. No need finding a spot to hang the light. Switchable between cool and warm light. Provides 720-degree stereo lighting. From the wilderness to the dining table. Light up wherever you're at. Extend it easily to start your live streaming. Light up your tent. Even in a narrow space. The true full-angle lighting. With 12,000 mAh battery capacity, it charges your phone quickly. With 6 built-in neodymium magnetic attached to your car firmly. Stand still on a boat. From the moment you get off the car, it light up your space in seconds. Outperform even larger-sized lighting devices. Say goodbye to bulky lighting equipment. Save some time for the night. Discover the perfect space. And enjoy a different journey. Even venture outdoors with friends. Build a private paradise. Use multiple at once and to your needs. Enjoy a marvelous night. Even on the beach. SOS mode combined with the telescopic pole becomes extremely useful. Higher warning light are more likely to be seen by passing cars. Walk the danger away from the safe zone. Sturdy housing and full-body waterproof makes it go anywhere with you. Don't worry about its battery life. Even using it in higher mode, it can last for 10 hours, from dusk till dawn.